is Natalie. Settling into my day. Today is Wednesday and I just did a little bit of my morning routine of self-care. It is actually 9 a.m. right now, so I woke up very early and I want some energy. I want to wake up and settle into my day. I am making myself some breakfast, but I'm also going to make myself some coffee using the Javvy protein coffee. I've been trying these out and I wanted to share more about them because it is instant coffee, but it also has protein in it, which I feel like is good, especially for the morning and throughout the day to get your energy and get your protein in. As you guys might know, protein is everywhere right now, but it has a lot of good health benefits, and since I'm on my wellness journey, just really taking care of myself and what I consume, I feel like this is like a 2-in-1 and you get a lot of good things. This is 100% coffee and there's no added sugar or sweeteners, so you're getting the true taste of coffee plus protein. I do have this flavor, French vanilla, but I want to try out some more that I have here because I have a couple of different options. So let's get into it. Let's make a good cup of iced coffee, show you how you can use this if you want to try it out yourself, and start the day. Now that I have different flavors here, I want to introduce you to Javvy's protein coffee. This is a instant coffee with 10 grams of protein. Since it is instant, it makes making coffee a lot easier, especially in the morning. I have a couple of different flavors here to test out: original, French vanilla, mocha, and caramel. If you're a big fan of iced lattes like how I am, here are the 3 easy steps, which I will show you how to make in a bit. Just like how I mentioned, it has no artificial sweeteners. It's 100% real coffee and it has no sugar, which is huge because I feel like if you buy coffee or if you make coffee at home, you're adding on a lot of sugar by the milk, by the flavoring, and I feel like this is a better, healthier option. Now I'm trying to see which other ones could be my favorite flavor and show you the 3 easy steps and how I make these for my morning. First, you're going to start off with a glass of milk. I prefer almond milk. Whatever milk you prefer is fine. And if you want a good amount, I recommend using 6 ounces. The coffee itself comes in this consistency of a protein powder and it comes with its own scooper. To mix this all together, I'm going to be using the Javvy frother, which is really durable and high quality. From me using it, I feel like it also has a really high fast speed. So that way, again, you're getting some really fast and effective instant coffee. One important thing to know is that you really want to mix this in very well so you don't get any clumps, because you want the pure taste of coffee without that powdery feel. And since I use a frother for this, my coffee comes out really creamy, which is the best because that's what I crave every morning. So that's a key tip to you if you want your coffee to be more creamy. Now, I usually add about 1 scoop of the protein coffee, but if you want 20 grams of protein, then you would use 2 scoops. That way, if you're really into fitness or if you're really prioritizing your protein count, you can get the maximum amount using this. And I will say, since you're adding more powder, it is going to take a bit more time to mix in, but that's totally okay because, again, the frother makes this coffee really creamy, almost kind of like a shake, and I like adding a lot of ice. So if you want more protein, I would recommend doing it this way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make the last 2 flavors for my taste test and also show you another option in case you don't like making your coffee with milk. You can also use this protein coffee with water. So that way you're not making an iced latte, but you're making a true iced coffee. You're going to mix it the same way, except if you're making it with coffee as a base, it's going to come out a lot thinner and you'll just have a different consistency. I hope that this helped you a bit in making your iced protein coffee at home. Make sure to add a lot of ice and grab a straw. And that's all there is to it for this iced protein coffee. So I just finished doing my breakfast and making all the coffee flavors. It's really easy. All you need is some milk, the powder itself. Just mix it up with the frother, which the frother is actually really good. And the more that you froth, you kind of get this like creamy coffee, which I like a creamy frothy coffee. Added a lot of ice. I really like it. This flavor right here is the original. Let's do a taste test. This one's good, and the coffee is actually really strong. So if you like strong coffee, then I would recommend doing it this way. If you like less coffee, then I would say add more milk that you do coffee, but I feel like this one's really good. And the good thing about this is that whichever flavor you choose, or if you choose the original, you can add your own flavored creamers, and you can also make some cold foam with the frother. So I think that that's really fun, but I actually really like this flavor, like a classic coffee. Next is caramel. I love caramel, so I wonder how this one is going to taste like. This one is definitely a lot more flavorful, and this one is pretty strong, so I would add more milk to this. I do like the caramel. I love anything caramel, really. This one is mocha. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of mocha, so I like how there's different varieties of these to try, because I really wouldn't grab towards mocha, but we're gonna try it anyways. That is very strong, but also very chocolatey. It's like a creamy kind of chocolate, not a chocolate that's like milk chocolate. That's how I would describe this one. And then the last one, which is my favorite, and I'm gonna take it with me to eat my breakfast. This is French vanilla. Especially if you add a lot of ice to this, it's just gonna taste a whole lot better. Yes, amazing. I'm so happy that my breakfast is nice and ready. I'm gonna eat this up before I head over and start my work for the day. I don't like drinking coffee on an empty stomach, so I have some breakfast with my coffee, which makes it enjoyable. Since I am a content creator and I work from home, I have my desk set up and I take my coffee to my space with me to start my work. Since I've been on my anti-inflammatory diet and taking care of my health, I really prioritize products that have really good ingredients, especially this one with getting my protein in. I've been trying to be more active, work out, and do some strength training, so this really helps with the muscle recovery. So that helps with my fitness goals. It also has MTCs, which help with your brain health, focus, and quick energy, which is amazing whenever I'm editing and doing lots of different emails and content. I have a true creative spirit, but it is nothing without that focus, so that way I'm totally locked in. It also has prebiotics that are healthy for your gut, which is highly important. Everyone should be focusing on their gut health and what they're putting inside their bodies. By this time during noon, my morning coffee has already kicked in and I'm ready to go on a little walk, because one thing about me, once that caffeine hits, I feel like I want to walk it out, and since I've gotten my protein in, it gives me even more energy to just get some fresh air and go outside. Now that I've tried all the flavors for you guys and I've done a taste test, you can try it for yourself. I'm gonna have a discount code in the description. You can check these out and you can buy these like on a discounted price. Especially if you love this brand and you like trying some new coffee and you want to get your protein in, like how I mentioned, it's really focused on your wellness, then you guys should check it out. Go ahead and enjoy the rest of my day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also comment which flavor do you think that you would like, or if you've tried any of these. Please let me know. I feel like French vanilla and caramel are my top two, but I honestly really like the original because you can just have fun with it. If you want to know more about Javvy, then make sure to look at their Instagram and their website to see all of their product lineup. They're available in Target, I know. So also if you're stopping by Target, then make sure to check them out and grab one if you're interested in trying it. I hope you guys have a lovely day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. Watch out. Cheers.